In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Spotify playlist. By the end, you'll have a sleek, interactive music player living right on your web page, so visitors can hit play without leaving your site. Start by opening Spotify, either in the desktop app or directly in your web browser. Navigate to the exact playlist you want to feature. It could be a public playlist you've created, a branded mix for your business, or a curated set of tracks for an event. Make sure this is the playlist you want to share, since the embed will mirror its cover art, title, and track list. Next, look for the three dots next to the playlist's name or cover image. That's the menu that holds all the sharing options. Click it, then choose Share. From there, select Embed Playlist, or, depending on what you see, copy embed code. Both routes give you the same result: a small snippet of HTML that points to Spotify's player. This code is what creates the actual embedded player on your website. You don't need to edit the code. It's already formatted to display correctly and stream directly from Spotify. With the code copied, switch over to your website editor. This could be WordPress, Webflow, or a plain HTML page. You're looking for the area where you can add raw HTML or custom code. In many site builders, this is labeled something like HTML, custom code, embed, or a similar block or module. The key is to avoid the regular visual text editor for this step, because pasting code there can cause it to display as text instead of becoming a player. Once you're in the HTML or custom code section, paste the embed code exactly where you want the player to appear. Think about placement and spacing on your page. Above the fold if you want it front and center, or tucked into a sidebar or section if it's more of an accent. The player's size and alignment will usually adapt to the container you put it in, so positioning it in a full-width section versus a narrower column will affect how it looks. Now save or publish your page as you normally would. When the page goes live, the Spotify player should load automatically. If your site uses secure connections, you're all set. The embed uses a secure link as well. That's it. You've taken your playlist from Spotify to your site in just a few clicks, giving your audience a simple, seamless way to listen.